Hello again, it's Noob, and I've got a Lockwood. I almost said hello again, it's Lockwood, which I did last time. And this is so reflective, it's crazy. This is a 234 S45 from owner over on Discord. I'm trying to keep all the reflections away from me. Look at that bitting though, that's pretty awesome, isn't it? 6 pins, smooth as butter this lock as well. And you can see that it's got ball bearing mechanism. Good to know it's got a screw thread there in case you need to gut it later. Just lovely. I'm going to throw this in a vise, see if we can't pick it. Can't wait to try this one out actually. Okay, we're in the vise. I'm going to use a gem and this 1.3mm turning tool. I'm just going to go in and see where we are really. So already, just straight away, pin 6 is binding. Click, okay. Then 5. Nothing on 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so back to the back. Nothing on 5. Just checking 4, 3, 2. No, what about 6, 5. This is 4, I think. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's try 1. 1. Oh! I wasn't expecting that. Let's have a look at that bitting. I'll keep the lot there in view. Let's have a look. So if I did that with my gem, 6 makes sense. Picked 5, possibly picking 4 at the same time, but I think I hit 4. 3, possibly picking 2 at the same time, then 1 opens. I think maybe just this bitting, weirdly, although it should be a lot more difficult, my choice of using a gem, which is my pretty much go-to pick, may have actually helped me more than it possibly should have done. Oh well, let's have a go at gutting this anyway. Isn't it gorgeous? Albeit crazily reflective. So how do we do this then? Well, first of all, I'm going to try and unscrew this. Like that. Get the screw out. See if I have a spare pinning tray. I'm using another one at the moment, so yes I do. I'm going to drop the core out and leave Mr. Reflections over there. Now, oh, small ones. I think I've got an answer to that somewhere. I've got my drawer of stuff open. Undo this, get one of those out. Which one? I think that one maybe? Let's give it a go. I'm just going to lock that back up. We all know it's been picked, so take off that shieldy shroudy thing. I'm not going to gut it from this because it's a pain to get back on, so I'm going to do it from this. That seems to work. Oh, I had lots of Loctite on, that's why. And that could be a standard size thing for a follower, so let's do a bit of that. Like that. That should be okay. Let's get a shim. And a follower. And that worked fine. Okay, cool. Just close that back up. Wow, this is so new, isn't it? Look, you can see because all of the key pins are still got that coloration on, which I just use for when people are pinning this up as a locksmith or a factory or something, that you can quickly identify the right pin sizes. So these are all standards, which I sort of was expecting, I'll be honest, from a Lockwood. And then working backwards down here, make sure I try to remember which way around it was. So try and get these pins out. Pin 1. Standard. Are some of these spools standard? standard. Oh, springs come out to play. Standard, standard, and standard. So there we go. Okay, so this one was all standard pins. That might have factored in its ease of picking. Here we are for a close-up. And yeah, that was the extraordinarily reflective Lockwood 234S45 beautiful lock. Thanks to Iona for that. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment if you've got anything to comment about. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can. Really appreciate that, and also would appreciate a subscription if you haven't already subscribed, so you can see more content like this too. That would make you awesome as well. And I'll see you all next time.